All right, so here's the situation. This thing is broken. I can't turn it off or on, and this thing broke off. Let's see if I can show you. Oh, electrocuting myself. Oh, there it is. So this here sits in there, and yeah, it broke. So I've got a new one over here. I'm going to try to wire it in there, and hopefully I can do it. We'll see. Right, so I'm going to get it out of the package here. I just want to tell you, I'm not an electrician, and this is for entertainment purposes only. If you need to do any type of electrical work, I highly recommend hiring a licensed and insured electrician. Don't try to do it yourself. You could really screw up. And if you're going to do it yourself, the first thing you want to do is turn off the breaker and electricity to whatever you're working on, which means you're probably going to need some type of lighting, with a battery, so that you can see what you're doing. And of course, I did this thing all backwards. Here's what you're gonna need: Phillips head, flathead, and some needle nose pliers. All right, so I'm gonna start with just taking the this face plate off, Phillips head. And notice I got wood, so I don't get electrojuiced. And these are small itty bitty screws, so you don't want to lose those. I'm gonna put right there. There's our other one right there. I'm setting it on the top of the toilet here. Now this should just come off. Bam. And now we've got one here and one here to pull this off. All right. So we've got to get this screw out. I don't want to touch this part, so I want to keep on, just in case there's some kind of contact on the electrical. Of course, if there was, it'd be shorted, I think. There we go. Okay, set that there. Take this one out. Okay, I think this one is done. Alright, so this should come out. Gotta be careful because I don't want to get shocked. Oh yeah, look. This is not even grounded. So this one, that's the hot and that's the hot. You don't want to touch that. That's your common. And all right, that's out. All right, so now we can just unscrew those and we're ready to go. But I think I might have to turn off the electricity to do that. Better to be safe than sorry. I don't want to get shocked. So I came up here. We've got the bedroom and the bathroom. So I'm going to hit the bathroom and we'll see if that turned it off. We got it. All right. Okay, so I've got to get these screws off there. We're going to use a Phillips head. And we got the electricity off, finally. Loosen both of these, right? I'm not an electrician, so please be kind in the comments. You guys can see that better? Okay, let's get that off in there. Okay. All right, so this one should come off. There we go, got it off. All right, there, got them both off. All right, we're good. So you can see them, right? They're already nice and curved, so this should be okay. All right, so basically I'm just gonna set them right back on there just like they were. You know what I mean? So I think I'm gonna get my needle nose pliers. I wanna get them a little straighter. I might wanna bend them a little bit. These also, see the rubber? So you can't see it, but there we go. So now, let's see, make sure we're doing this right. You know what I mean? Just gotta get this set on there. Just like that. There we go. Got it on there. Now I'm just gonna squeeze it. All right, you see her? Yeah, that's good. Now we gotta get the Phillips head on there. And we'll tighten it down. Oh shit, doesn't want to tighten. All right, let me try this one. I'm gonna try the flathead and see if I can get it to tighten. There we go. Now we're talking. Got her on there, right? It's pretty good. Okay, now I'm gonna get this on there. Put her on. Oh. Yeah, there we go. All right, let's tighten her down. Shoot, slipped out a little bit. So I gotta get it. Let me get that in there. And then I'll come back. Okay, so the light did come on, right? So now let's see if it goes off. All right, I think we're successful. Now we've got to smush it back in there. You know what I mean, jelly beans? Let's push this in and see if it gets in there. Okay, we're good. Now I got to put these screws in. I can get that. See that hole? Let me show you. There's a hole right up there. If I can match that up on it, then we should be okay. All right, so I'm going to try to get this first top one in and see if we can do that. Push that in there. Yeah. And I've got to get all the way back. There. That's it right there. I can just get it started. God, tools are... I think I might have it. Oh yeah, that was hard. That was not easy. Right now this one, pain in the ass. Why do they make flatheads? I do not fucking know. Oh, look at that. I think we just figured it out. Oh God, thank you. Thank you, Jesus. Okay, that one's in. That one's in. Okay, we got that done. All right, let's put this faceplate on. Oh my gosh. Oh. And the faceplate is a flathead too. There's that one. And this was not easy. This was harder than I thought. There's that one. All right, so done. We did it. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel. I'll show you stuff that I don't have any idea what I'm doing. Not one iota.